The world has changed as we speak, and today, high demand jobs, high growth jobs demand hybrid skills. Not just a skill wherein you are a master of molecular biology, but also demands you to understand metabolomics, pharmacogenomics, bioinformatics. Today, you are expected to marry two technologies and win the world of research. So, this June, we are inviting you to the marriage of CRISPR with AIML. Yes, you heard me right. AIML for CRISPR Genome Engineering hands-on training program is starting from 3rd of June. Now, in this, you'll be getting training on how to convert gRNA design using LLM agents. You'll get a chance to work with Biotech CRO on live projects, and you will also get a chance to go and do real hands-on on CRISPR in IISc Incubated Lab. Okay? And all of that in your summers. So from 3rd of June, we are starting this program. Now let us understand how this program helps you. This is a 45 days live training program followed by 3, 6 or 12 months of project at Biotech CRO. The training program will be in between 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the evening. So it will be very much useful if you, whether you are working or whether you are in a college, you can always take this training. Live sessions will be conducted through Google Meet or Biotech Campus app, and you will get the recording access also. Now, after 45 days, your project begins. So, Biotech CRO scientists will conduct a small interview to check if you are ready for the project. And once you are ready, you will start the project. Now, CRISPR was supposed to make gene editing simple, right? But what really happened? CRISPR opened up a new problem. We don't have the right guide RNA out of thousands of possibilities. We cannot predict whether to cut at this place or that place. So, we are not able to get the right cut at the right place, and that is where designing therapies which is safe enough for human trials is no longer possible. Now, the traditional rule-based design tools such as rule set 3 only gets you so far. Now, this is where our AIML comes into picture. Today, deep CRISPR predicts on-target activity with accuracy traditional methods cannot match. DNA-BERT and transformer models read DNA the way GPT reads language. Profluent's OpenCRISPR-1 is world's first AI-generated openly licensed gene editor. And LLM agents like CRISPR GPT are automating gRNA selection, off-target analysis, and experiment planning across 22 plus tools. Now, companies which are driving this revolution, of course, you know CRISPR Therapeutics, and you can get a chance to work at these CRISPR companies if you learn both sides of the story. Not just the CRISPR, but AIML and CRISPR. And this particular program brings you that. You get a chance to work in the lab in IISc Incubated Lab in Bangalore, Protein Design Lab under Dr. Deepthi Saini, and of course you learn the theory and all the data analysis part, all the AIML part online, and then you do project with Biotech CRO. Now you don't just watch how it is done, you build, because every day there will be assignments, there will be practicals, you will learn GC content scoring, you learn RF, SVM classifiers, you learn CNNs, LSTMs, DNA-BERT fine-tuning, and you'll also get a fully automated gRNA design pipeline. You get a real research project under PI, and you get work experience letter, but you'll have to pass through a small interview after the training program, because Biotech CRO scientists will not take you unless you have learned it properly. So that's the condition we are keeping. Now, how this impacts you is because CRISPR is actually a global skill set. And when you marry CRISPR with AIML, you can do it faster. So bigger companies will show interest and hire you. And that is where this program comes with a placement support as well. So you will get a chance to get placed in top CRISPR companies where AIML and LLM is being used. You will be able to win the world of biotech and pharma faster than others. So if you are a biotech, bioinformatics, genetics, molecular biology, microbiology or biochemistry, or a pharma graduate, whether you are a PhD scholar, a MBBS student or a MD doctor, you all are welcome. Come learn AIML in CRISPR, practice it in the lab, and then publish a paper, because that's how you build your reputation. Training, project, hands-on experience in the lab, all comes together in CRISPR AIML training program, internship at Biotech CRO and IISc Incubated Lab CRISPR training. Starts from 3rd of June. So quickly register below. The link is given in the comment section. But please remember, this particular program is limited and time bound because next year only it will come. This year it will not come back after 3rd of June. And also you should know that the IISc Incubated Lab will not allow more than 11 students in their lab. Okay, so that means only 11 students can be taken in this program. Okay, so quickly click the link in the description. You can chat with me and our team on WhatsApp and register faster because the seats are limited. All the best.